the things that I'm doing, OnlyFans, this shit, and even Instagram, delete that. No social media. I don't want to have social media and have kids. So that doesn't count as a traditional. Okay, and stay at home and serve my husband and kids. Okay, I guess that's not count as a traditional woman for you, but okay. I'm gonna order food soon. Oh my god, boy. Shakira. Man, she didn't age at all. Die die. Party, 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 party. What's up? When I met you in the summer. Na, 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 na. My hand's so cold. Song. Song, 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 song. Ow. Ow. Jet ski. Feel your eyes, they all over me. She just got married, Dua Lipa. That's insane. Congratulations. Oh, wow. If I throw a party on my 5 bedroom villas, there's gonna be my mom and my little sister though. I don't wanna be drunk in front of my mom. Cause in my mom's head, I'm still her good girl. Have you seen the news that a 17-year-old Thai girl got mutilated by a 46-year-old Aussie's man? So she apparently prosy for sure. I think like she disagree with some money situation, and then he killed her, and then chop her, and then put it in a suitcase. I don't know if you guys know that, but it's happened like a couple days ago. And that Aussie's man, he's just like, for you guys, family of the victim, I'm sorry for that. Like, he act like he's not the one that who did this. You know what I mean? So sad, man. She's just 17. It's okay. You never date guy like me anyway. So okay. I mean, they're not being used. They're for certain reason mostly. If you are old, you could die alone in your own country or go somewhere with women giving you attention. I thought of moving. Really? Were you thinking? Which? Hello? I was just making the point that all people who led with their wallets kind of get taken advantage of. I had called, had you muted. Sorry. Okay. Well, look, I'm a girl. I've been using for my money ever since that girl here, the one that's supposed to be my assistant. She keep using my money. You know, like I told this to my, like I know she said, "Oh, I'm giving you back," but like I'll be ready when the moment she's not giving back my money, because you know, people who desperate like that don't think about moral. Sometimes they just like take as much as they can. And yeah, she's about to ask for more of my money.